Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's topic, I'm going to teach you how to make a coconut oil from a coconut milk. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm going to extract the coconut milk of out of the coconut meat, which I asked the local market here to grate it for me because I don't have a manual grater. So this is how I do it. So I'm going to just remove. This is the first. This is the first extraction. So I'm just using my fist and yeah. So it's gonna look like this. So don't throw away this meat because we can still use it for the second extraction. So here guys, this is my first extraction. So I'm just going to place it in one container. Like so. So for our next extraction, we're gonna put again back the meat, and then we're going to get a hot water and pour it over our so this is our second and gonna be the last extraction for making our coconut oil. But again, still I'm not going to throw away the meat after we're going to extract the second extraction, because we can use the leftover for our compost for my plants. So it's kind of hot but it's tolerable. So okay guys, it's like this. So I'm just using my fist and I'm doing it manually. So my mom used to make us this coconut oil in our house, in our home in the Philippines. So that will be the second, and it's gonna be the last. So I'm already placed our extracted meat in here into the plastic bag, and I'm going to put that in our compost pile. So this is the second extraction. I'm gonna put the first one. I'm gonna mix it together, and now what I'm gonna do is to just remove the other meat from our first and second extraction. So it's gonna be like that. And then I'm just going to squeeze the juice or the milk out of it. And like so. So this is the final milk that we are going to be needing for our coconut oil. For our next step, we need to put the coconut milk in our on my rice cooker, and then we're gonna put that to cook mode, so it will be cooked and it will turn into a boil. And let's going to wait for that to boil. As you can see guys, this is our coconut milk now, and we're just going to continue boiling this until there's no more water left, like all the water will evaporate and it will turn eventually into an oil. So you will see there's like lumps in it, so this is not ready, but we have to continue boiling this until there's no more lumps, no more water in it. As of now it looks like it's still water, so we're just gonna wait until it becomes turned into oil. After 20 minutes guys, it's gonna look like this. So we still need to continue boiling it. Oops, I'm so sorry. So we just need to continue boiling this until the water evaporates. So all those lumps are going to be they're going to be the oil. This, so it will turn into an oil. So we just need to continue boiling this until maybe 20 minutes more. So after 20 more minutes guys, the lumps were gonna look like this, and it becomes more and more solid, but actually you can tell now that there is an oil forming. You see there's an oil already, and we need to continue boiling this until the lumps will become more solid and dried, and all the oils will be extracted from it. So stay tuned guys. So this is the final result guys. This is what I get from a small coconut, and I already strained this, and I'm going to put this on the I have an empty bottle here of my jasmine extract, and it's also oil base, so I'm just going to pour it inside this bottle. I have also lavender extract, but I think coconut oils are best combined with jasmine. So I'm gonna use this for my hair. I'm gonna massage this on my scalp before I'm going to take a shower, and it helps to moisturize my scalp and helps with my hair. So that's all, folks, and thank you for watching.